Alright guys, you are welcome back to Amazing Creative Studio. So in this video I quickly want to share this important information with you guys. So by 2026, Google Play Store has decided to stop application installation outside of Google Play Store. So if you updated your mobile phone to the latest system version, you might not be able to install application outside of Google Play Store. So what can you do to avoid this issue, or to avoid this stress, to avoid this threat? So the only thing you can do is you should not update your mobile phone. Make sure that you don't update your system phone to the latest Android version. So let me walk you through my phone. So this is system update. Make sure that you don't update your system, and whenever they bring a pop-up to you to update your system to the latest version, make sure that you don't. So the moment you do so, you won't be able to upload any mobile application outside of Google Play Store. So for instance, if you have updated your mobile phone to the latest version, you won't be able to install an application from from Telegram. Let me just use Telegram as a major general stuff. So you won't be able to update application from Telegram. As you can see, these are applications on this Telegram. So the moment that you update your mobile phone to the latest Android version, you won't be able to install from Telegram, even from WhatsApp, or from anyone that will send application to you, whether they are sending it to you through sender or whatsoever. You won't be able to install it except that you go back to your Play Store to install those mobile applications. So the moment that you update your mobile system, you will only be enabled to install application from Google Play Store. So now there is a major stuff that you needed to do right from here. Now you need to stop your phone from so guys, you need to stop the play protect. You need to turn off the play protect. So how can you turn off the play protect? So just click on your name icon here. Just tap on the name icon here. Just click on it. Then go to play protect. Click on play protect. So you can see that it is already turned off. So once you turn it off, this is what is going to show you. So if it is not turned off, just tap on this. Just tap here to turn it off. Do you understand? So that is how you can stop the play protect, from which we allow you to install application from outside of Play Store. But make sure that you don't update your Android mobile app to the latest version. Once you update to the latest version, you won't be able to install application again outside of Google Play Store from 2026. So thank you guys. If you love this video, please ensure that you subscribe, you like, and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys.